Good afternoon, friends. So today I basically am looking at the body panels of the Beetle, so that's the boot lid and the bonnet, and looking at how I can restore them somewhat. There are other panels, but at least I can practice some body work on these things. There's some spot welds and things that have to be removed and quite a bit of rust, so let's see how this goes. Stay tuned for exciting stuff. Taking apart this boot and bonnet is actually quite interesting. It's coming along nicely, things are coming apart. And I've done a little bit of grinding on the rusty parts. So there we go. That wasn't worth saving, I don't think, was it? Okay, so what started off as just trying to restore the boot lid hinges turned out to be a little bit more involved, so I got stuck into the bodywork. That stuff is quite rusted and rotten, so I'm trying to think of ways to fix it without having to replace those interior support pieces, those molded bits. Maybe I can run a thin piece of rod around the edge and bend over some new sheet metal. So let's see how we go with that. But this has been a very interesting first foray into bodywork, so I'm pretty happy with that. I hope everybody is staying safe and working in their garages. Like, subscribe, give us a comment, and yeah, look out for the next video. Stay safe and let's get ratchet.